And I have to say, Senator Clinton, looked in her element. She's...
Fuck you.
That's why she's only airing negative attacks on TV in Pennsylvania, like most places. And, you've just got to kind of let it, Now, Senator McCain has served this country honorably. And at the end of this long race, I want to congratulate him on the tough race that he has fought. He has...
Fuck you.
Forces of technology and global competition have subtracted those jobs that once provided a foothold into the middle class, reduced the bargaining power of American workers. And our politics suffer. We've got Ed Pulaski, Mayor of Allentown, but member of Congress. We've got John Callahan, Mayor of Bethlehem.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Obama! We love you, Obama!
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, Evansville. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Get out of here!
My pleasure.